In this video, I want to introduce to you an artificial intelligence website that I've been using the free trial before I decide if I want to pay for the pro version, which I probably will occasionally pay for a month at a time because I want to use many of them. But I'm going to give you an inside view to show you how this works. It's incredible. When you tap on Copy.ai, you are brought to this dashboard. You can create a new project, blog post wizard for the pro membership. I've watched the video, it's incredible. Instagram captions and freestyle, that's pretty cool. But I'm going to start basic here. I'm going to click on chat. And I'm going to type in, please write a 350-word article explaining the benefits of using Copy.ai. Copy.ai. Please write a 350-word article explaining the benefits of using Copy.ai. And the reason why I want this done is because I just joined the affiliate program and I qualified. And I'm very grateful I qualified. And it's because I want to produce a blog post for myincomejob.com. So let's get to it. Let's see what it produces. Okay, you can also start typing copy and paste to get started there. And what that does, say you take a paragraph, I'll show you in a moment. It'll reword it in 5 different ways for you. It's incredible. So let's press this button and let's watch it, produce the magic. It's incredible. Wow, this is so much faster than that chatbot. OpenAI. Holy cow. Well, I am speaking about their program. Ooh. Ooh-wee. Look at it go. And what I love about this, I wrote a blog post about the Upside app that I use, and it gave me 3 listings of sources. You see one there. There's the listing of the source. If you click it, it'll bring you to the source so you could learn more about the topic that you're asking it to write about. It's incredible. So now, what I would do, and I will do, I like to, you know what, let me show you this first. I'm going to take this first paragraph, copy it, and I'm going to place it here, and I'm going to paste it. Press tab to write more. I'm going to press tab. Watch what happens. It's incredible. It'll give you 5 more ways, different ways of wording that paragraph. Like in this first sentence, it says, Copy.ai is an artificial intelligence writing tool that can help create long-form blog posts, web copy, product descriptions, and more. And this paragraph here that it produced, the first sentence says, Copy.ai is a fast and easy way to create high-quality content for your website or blog. So now I want to click the arrow. I want to see what else it's writing. And then it shows you at the benefits of using Copy.ai, the end of the sentence, right here. You'll get it. It'll write more. It's a cost-effective alternative to hiring copywriters. And then it says, number 2, the AI writing tool can help you create content faster than ever before. And then number 3, now if you click the arrow again, What is Copy.ai? Let's see what else happens. Benefits of using Copy. Okay, I guess it runs out of ideas. We'll also look at the features of this AI copywriting tool and see how it could benefit your business. This is incredible. So what I usually do when I write, I like to, well, you know what? I like to do it in a paragraph at a time. I like to copy it and I bring it over to the free version of Grammarly, type it in, paste it in. Wow, great job. Holy cow. Usually it says, overwinded, too many words. I tweak it. I can rephrase this. See, when I use chat.openai.com and I put it into Grammarly, 90% of the time it says, overkill, too many words. Eliminate words. You should rephrase that. It corrects punctuation, spelling. Wow. Let's see if the second paragraph, if we have enough luck with the second paragraph. Let's see. The same kind of luck. Holy cow. This is incredible. See, here we go. That's wordy. That's the point. It's wordy. So I would take the time to read this and reword it and add my own twist to it. Wow, but that first paragraph is sweet. But you see how much time you can save? Because I want to add a post before I go to sleep tonight. I'm going to do it in about 20 minutes. And that's including this video to the blog post. So check out the link in the description below because I joined the affiliate program because I qualified. And teach yourself how to use artificial intelligence so you can bang out content at lightning speeds. This is incredible. Have a good one, folks. I hope you enjoyed the video. Visit the link in the description below.